Okay, this chapter on coordinate geometry is not too difficult for you all. For the sec ones, currently they are also learning linear equations and graphs. They may struggle a bit to understand what is coordinates, how to draw graphs, what is y equals to mx plus c. But all these you all have mastered it already over the past 2 years. Correct. So Denzel and Michaela, can you all help me on your video, please? Thank you. All right. Okay, so coordinate geometry this year, what is new is the length of the line, and gradient, we have already covered it previously. Equation, we have also covered it previously. So nothing new for 4.2 and 4.3. Of course, there is one new formula for us to learn. Equation, y equals to mx plus c, don't change. Okay, Ken? So for Shannon and Rian, since y'all have covered this, can you all tell me, don't cheat, don't go and look at the notes, what is the length of a line segment? Who? Forget.
Wait, is it
Yeah.
the formula?
Yes, the formula.
Wait, is it the square root one?
Yes, correct. The square root what?
Square root of x1 minus x2 squared plus 1 minus y2 squared.
Yes, very good job. Okay, whereby x1 and y1 is one coordinate, x2, y2 is the other coordinate. Okay, I repeat, x1, y1 is one coordinate, x2, y2 is the other coordinate. Okay, so keep in mind, okay, so that brings us to this. This is the length of the formula, which is what Shannon said. Hey, how come Shannon say x1 minus x2? How come you type x2 minus x1? They are the same thing, don't worry. Okay, they are the same thing, don't worry. All right. Michaela, are you there? If you are, can you help me on your video, please? Thank you. Michaela, I've met you before, right?
Yeah.
Yes. Don't off video leh. Okay, so next part, gradient. What are the two ways that we have learned before in finding gradients? Do you remember or not? Gradient. Two ways. One way is y equals to mx plus c, correct or not? Whereby m represents what? Denzel, m represents what?
Gradient.
Gradient. And your c represents?
Constant.
Constant. What kind of constant is that?
The y-intercept.
Correct. Very good job, Denzel. So this is your y-intercept, and this is your gradient. Okay. This one sec 1 work. Don't tell me don't know how to do. So if I give you 5y equals to 3x plus c plus 7, for example, how? Is my gradient just a 3 or not? No, my gradient, I must make sure my y is 1y and nothing else. Okay, it must be a 1y and nothing else. So I must make it to y equals to 3 over 5x plus 7 over 5. Like this. Okay, can? Okay, so do you guys remember? Oh, wait. Okay, the other one is using graph to find gradient. So after I plot my graph, again, this is your sec 1 work. You need to form your triangle, rise over run. Okay. Shannon and Rian, do you all remember what is the third way? What is it? Just now, Shannon, give me the formula. Rian, your turn.
Is it the like y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1?
Good job. Yes. This is the third way for us to find our gradients this year. Okay, so no more already. Total 3 ways only. No more already. Don't panic. Unless you are taking A Math, then have a lot more ways. That is called differentiation. And you know, differentiation itself, the Sec 4 A Math has how many topics? Five chapters on differentiation. Hi, Chloe. Sorry, just now I was too engrossed in teaching. I forgot. Hello. Can you help me on your video, please, Chloe? Thank you. Okay, so this is one method. If I'm given 2 coordinates, I can find gradient using that also. Okay? Thank you, Chloe. Nice meeting you. All right, so we just started on this new chapter on coordinate geometry. Later on, I'm going to run through indices revision with you guys again. Let's see how much you all remember, okay? Indices is very important. So again, this story that I told you guys last week, gradient is basically the steepness of the slope, how steep it is, okay? So if I'm walking this kind of gradient every day, no problem. I'm walking that every single day. My gradient is 0. But if I ask you to be a Spider-Man and walk this slope for me, no way, because the gradient is undefined. It's too steep. I can't even walk it. Okay? If I'm walking up a hill, it's a positive gradient. And if I'm walking down a hill, it's a negative gradient. That's all. Can? Okay, so all this, we have done it. Yeah, okay, the last one is y equals to mx plus c, like I mentioned. C is your y-intercept, like what Denzel mentioned. M is your gradient. Okay, to find your x-intercept is to sub y equals to 0. Find y-intercept, sub x equals to 0. Same as your quadratic graph that you learned in Sec 2. Nothing difficult. All right, okay, now we are going to go through question 1 to 5 in our tutorial. Okay. So given that the points PQ, QR, P it's 8, 4, Q it's 2, minus 4, R it's minus 1, minus 8. I want to find the length of PQ. So PQ first. So if this is X1, this is Y1, X2, Y2, like this. Okay. So I will get what? X1 minus X2 square plus Y1 minus Y2 square. This is a formula, okay, that you have to remember. It is not inside your formula sheet. And this gives me 100, okay, which is, Shannon, you see your mistake there, PQ? Yeah, what's your mistake? Okay, so this is 10 units. Oops. Okay, be careful. Rian, yours is good, but you forgot your units behind. Okay, so this is for PQ. And then for QR, same thing. X1 minus X2 square plus Y1 minus Y2 square. So just read it off your mind. 2 plus 1 is 3, 3 square is 9, minus 4 plus 8. It's a positive 4. So this is 16. So this is 25, which gives me 5 units. Okay, so for those who are late, formula of length, it's X1 minus X2 square plus Y1 minus Y2 square. So basically X and Y are just coordinates. Nothing much. Okay. Rian and Shannon, good job on that. Well done. Anyone has any question? Michaela, Denzel, or Chloe? No, all good. If there's any questions, just feel free to raise your hands, or you can just put a hands up emoji or just drop me a text in the chat, okay? Can y'all help me find the last one, PR? The rest, just one quick minute. Can you help me find the last one, PR? Okay, for Rian and Shannon, your answers are good. Okay, so PR, it's equals to 15 units. Just help me plug it inside. You will be able to get it. Okay, show that this PQR, they lie on the same straight line. What does it mean? Does it mean that the length must be the same or not when they lie on the same straight line? No, right? Rian, what does it mean?
Collinear. I don't know.
Yes, the word is collinear. Very good. Meaning that their gradient are all the same, correct or not? Because if I lie on the same straight line, it means like this. It can be close and then one far one. All right, so I'm not using length over here. It just means that my gradient are all the same. I'm sloping in the same way. So gradient of all this are 4/3. How to find? I will just do one to show you all. Let's say I want to find gradient of PQ. It's y1 minus y2 over x1 minus x2, which gives me -8 over -6. It gives me positive 4/3. You can go and find the gradient of QR, PR. They are all going to be the same gradient. So you're going to explain. Since the gradient of PQ equals to QR equals to PR, therefore they lie on the same straight line. Okay, we are talking about gradient here. All right. Rian, first question, very well done. Shannon, just one little careless mistake. Okay, question 2. I want to find the gradient of the following straight line. Very simple. It's just plugging inside the formula. 2A. I got a different answer from you, Shannon and Rian. Who is correct? But the 2B, both of you are correct. Okay, let's see. Formula is what for gradient? Y1 minus Y2 over X1 minus X2. This is my X1, Y1. This is my X2, Y2. Can I swap them around? Who say yes? Can I let the first one be X1, X2, Y2? Can, no problem. Okay, I can also let these be X2, Y2, X1, Y1. Can also. Okay, then in this case, I'm going to plug it in. Y1 minus Y2 over X1 minus X2. This gives me -4/4. Who is correct? Rian? What happened? Oh, you missed out a minus. Oh. Okay, but good job. Each of y'all got one careless mistake each already. Are we competing for who got more? More careless mistakes is the winner, is it? Okay, so this one, Shannon, is correct. It's -1. Okay, same thing for the other one. I can let this be X1, Y1, X2, Y2. Both of you got it right. Answer, it's half. Chloe, are you okay? Denzel, okay? So all these are just formulas. Can I don't memorize? Cannot. Because they are not inside the formula sheet, right? But it's easy to memorize. Okay, question 3. Question 3, I got a different answer from you two again. Let's see who is correct. Okay, D, E, F given lie on the same straight line. So Denzel, what did I say just now when I said they are lying on the same straight line? What is so special about them?
The gradient is the same.
Very good job. Okay, got listen. Okay, meaning they are having the same gradient. Okay, so I got one unknown here, meaning gradient of DE equals to EF equals to DF. I can compare any one of them. Okay, maybe we find DE first, DE gradient. Y1 minus Y2 over X1 minus X2. This is half. Okay, now I must have F involved because F is my unknown. The Q is inside. Shannon, what happened? Seems like you found something wrong. Is it so? Okay, so now can we take a look at DF? Okay, of course we can find EF also. It's maybe I use EF better lah. I don't want to do with negative numbers. Y1 minus Y2 over X1 minus X2. And can you see that these two gradients are the same because they lie on the same straight line? So I can say, therefore, 7 minus 4 over Q minus 2 equals to half. This one I cross multiply. Q minus 2 equals to 14. No, sorry. 6. Q equals to 8. Yay, Rian. So who is leading now? Shannon, right? 2 mistakes to 1 mistake. Not leading lah. And it's all careless mistake, my dear Shannon. Okay, so the rest, are y'all okay? Anyway, they did this for homework last week. So it was from question 1 to 5. And we are competing to see who got more mistakes. Keeping your fingers crossed. Okay, so up to now, Shannon 2, Ian 1. We try to keep it at 1, Arian. Okay, question 4. Okay, 4A is the same. 4B. Okay, 4B also same. Okay, means it's correct. Okay, so I want to write down the equation of the straight line. This one I'm just going to do 1. Okay, so the general equation you all should be familiar. Y equals to mx plus c, whereby, Chloe, what is m? Starts with G one. What is your m representing?
Oh, gradient.
Gradient, that's right. And what is your c representing?
Y-intercept.
Y-intercept, very good job. Okay, so I'm just going to help you all with A, sorry. So find gradient first. Y1 minus Y2 over X1 minus X2 gives me minus 5. This is my M. Okay, so therefore, Y equals to minus 5X plus C. How to find C? Anyone? Other than Shannon and Rian? Michaela? Don't call me, I don't know. Denzel, how to find C? Or Chloe also can? I will do what? Shannon, come, help them.
Sub Y and X, like any number. I mean, from the question.
Yeah, correct. You can sub in any coordinates as long as that coordinate passes through your graph. And they already told you these two coordinates do pass through your graph. You can sub in x equals to minus 1, y equals to 6, or x equals to 2, y equals to minus 9, up to you. Okay, so I will choose the first one lah. So y equals to 6, x equals to minus 1, minus 5 times minus 1, it's a positive 5. So C is equals to 1. Okay, don't like that, don't done already. Therefore, y equals to minus 5x plus 1. That's for your A. Okay, can? So for those who are Michaela, Denzel, and Chloe, you all just help me write down first. I'll send you all the notes later on, okay? All right, then the second one, very good job. It's y equals to minus half x minus 8. So still 2-1, and you have one last question. Okay, let's take a look at question 5. Rian, your question 5? Chop.
Okay, fine. It was too hard.
It was too hard, or is it too lazy?
Yeah, like I had no time. Okay.
Uh-oh. Okay, then it boils down to Shannon's one. Okay, let me see the first one first. Okay, Rian, yours is correct for the first one. Wasted. Shannon, yours is wait. Shannon, your first one, the C again, careless. Alamak, I see your mistake already. You go and find it yourself, huh? Okay, so I'm gonna do AB again with y'all. Okay, ACA, BC, yeah, I'll do all. Okay, I want to find the equation of AB. First thing, find what? Michaela, find what?
Uh, 0 minus 3.
Y first. So 0 minus 3 is below. Y1 minus Y2.
6 minus 8.
All right, very good job. Well done. So that gives me minus 2 over minus 3, which gives me 2/3. That is the gradient of AB. Okay, so I'm plugging it in. Y equals to 2/3 x plus C. And then to find C, I can. Yeah, Shannon, you got it. Okay, so Shannon, that's a 3-1, right? But Rihanna, blank. Right? You blank how many? 1, 2, 3. So it's 3, 4. Rian, and you lost. Okay, so to find the value of C, I need to sub in any coordinates. You decide. Of course, the 0, 6 is easier, right? So I will sub in y equals to 6. 2/3 bracket 0 plus C. C is 6. Don't just leave it as that. So y equals to 2/3 x plus 6. Okay? Can you guys help me with, let me see Shannon's one, correct or not? Later, careless again. Okay, Shannon one correct. Ariel, okay, very good. Ariel also correct. Good. Okay, yes, final results 3:4. Okay, so stars allocation. Rian, you're supposedly higher, but you blank. So I think Shannon deserves a 7. Actually, it's very well done, but it's all careless mistake. So if she's a 7, then you will be a 6 already. Okay? Next time, blank some more. 2 marks only. Later, I add it in. Okay, so that's the first equation. This is for my AB. BC, I'm going to do the same thing. Hey, but C, I don't have a coordinate. Then how? Can you see? This is 3, 8, right? Meaning the CX coordinate is 3. Touching the touching the x-axis, meaning y is 0. Rian, you can like that. You don't want to do. Okay, so I want to find gradient of AC. Y1 minus Y2 over X1 minus X2. It's this. Then Y equals to MX plus C. Do we need to find the C here? It's already here, correct or not? So it's also a 6. Of course, if I want to sub in one set of coordinates, also can, no problem, like what I did in AB also can. So this is y equals to minus 2x plus 6. This is y equals to 2/3 x plus 6. BC is the best question. It's a vertical line down, cutting the x-axis at 3. It's just x equals to 3, that's all. Gradient is what? Ah, Shannon, wow, good. Okay. Good. I like it that you hold your U there. Okay, it's undefined, not 0. All right, 0, it's remember, use the story, use yourself to remember you're walking on this kind of slope every day, your gradient is 0, you're walking on this kind of slope, not possible, that is undefined. Okay, am I talking too fast? No, if I'm talking too fast, you all must let me know. Sometimes I get too excited to share whatever knowledge I have, hoping you all can absorb whatever I have. Okay, then I get more and more excited. I talk louder and louder, faster and faster. So you all must slow me down. Okay, last one. I want area of the triangle ABC. This base over here, it's what? Half times base times height, right? So if here to here it's a 3, the height is obviously a 3. Here it's 8, here it's 0, here it's 8 lor. So it's half times 8 times 3, which 12. 12 cm square? Meter square? Unit square. Okay. For coordinate geometry, length, it's all in units. Area, it's all in unit square. No cm, no meter, no kilometer, nothing. Keep in mind. All right. For all kinds of coordinates, next time if you go on to AMath, EMath, whatever coordinate graph question, no cm, no meter, no km one. Can? Okay, so this is our homework. All right. Pretty well done. Then Rian, you got lazy towards the end. For Shannon, your careless mistakes, huh? Okay, come, let's take a look at this one. In the diagram, the gradient of the line AB is 1/4. Okay, I cannot be dealing with two unknowns over here. Why? Where's the two unknowns that teacher Vivi is talking about? The coordinates of AB. Sorry, the coordinates of B. Blank for both leh. Can you all help me find one of it or not? What is it? Yeah, correct. Where did Shannon get a 5 from? Yeah, Rian, that's right. So you see, here it's -1, 5. Okay, meaning your y, it's 5 here because it's lying on the same horizontal line. Can you all see that? Then x, don't know. You are supposed to find for me. Okay, no problem, what? Can you all help me find the coordinates of B? Something, 5. Just use your equation, this to this. Let x be the unknown, equate it to 1/4. Solve for the value of x. Send it to me on the Zoom chat whenever you are ready. Wow, I see who is the first one. Shannon. Okay, very good. Shannon, you're the first one. Good. Another 1 minute, quick one. Michaela, Chloe, and Denzel, try. Send it to me for the value of X on the Zoom chat, okay? If y'all cannot remember, I know y'all don't have the notes with y'all. Formula for gradient, it's y1 minus y2 over x1 minus x2. Only Shannon. Oh, anyway, guys, okay, just to keep y'all updated, y'all may be thinking what is the stars all about that I'm talking about. Okay, for those students in the regular classes, in the regular sessions, we have this stars allocation thing. So for every homework submission, the maximum stars that we can get is 10 stars. Okay, if you don't submit homework, that's a negative 10. And as you, oh, Shannon, this time around, I let you off. Cut off time is 9点, okay, the day before, not 9点 on the day itself. Okay. Is it, you thought it's 9 o'clock today? And class then send me. Okay, so as we collect the stars, y'all can redeem things from me. So let's say you redeem 100 stars already, you can get what? Starbucks vouchers, McDonald's vouchers, whatever vouchers. I've shared with them the flow chart lah. Okay, Ken? So this is how the stars allocation works. Yeah, basically it's to encourage y'all to hand in homework. Okay, so, and of course, if you think, one day I only can collect maximum 10. No, you can collect more than that. How? The more questions you answer, which I feel that, hey, this question is not easy, but yet you're trying, you got it right. Okay, I'll still give you stars one as we go along. Okay, Ken? Okay, so this is my x1, y1. This is my x2, y2. So it's y1 minus y2 over x1 minus x2. And that gives me a gradient of 1/4. Okay, so 3 over x equals to 1/4. X equals to 12. How come 这么久? You have to react, yeah, I'm telling you. But why never see the answer? Okay, then next one, they want the length of AB, length again. Very simple. Those who forgot. X1 minus x2 whole thing square plus y1 minus y2 whole thing square. Okay, so I've already found the coordinates of A and B, isn't it? Which is 12,5 for A. So obviously, if your part 1 is wrong, your part 2 is also wrong. Right? Come, 加油. I see Denzel pressing calculator already. Come on. Y'all can give it to me in decimals. Units are in units, no cm, no meters, no kilometers, Okay, very good. Shannon is the first one again. Denzel, I see you press calculator already, leh. Michaela and Chloe can get or not? Rian? Time's up. Okay, just plug it in. X1 minus X2 squared plus, oops, Y1 minus Y2 square. Whole thing, square root. Just press this in your calculator. Okay, you'll get 12.4 units. This is to 3SF. All right, Ken? So by default, in secondary school, all your answers are to be in 3SF. Okay, all your answers are to be in 3SF. For Michaela, Denzel, and Chloe, I will send you all this entire worksheet together with the answer key. But the answer key doesn't have much steps one. It's just a final answer. So y'all please take down the notes, okay? Ken? If not, you see the answer. Hey, how to do one? Don't know. All right. Okay, so yeah, so just now I was saying, so by default, all my answers are to 3SF. At the front page of your exam paper, they also will write it down. All right, for money, it's to 2 dp. For angles, it's to 1 dp. So just take note of this few difference. All right, so equation of AB, same thing. I've already found the gradient. Did I found a gradient? Yeah, given. Gradient is given to be 1/4. So it's just y equals to 1/4 x plus c. And do we have the c there or not? Do we need to plug in the values? How much is the c? Everybody show me on your hand. Like that. Hello. How come only Shannon participate in the thing I asked? Huh, Rian? Cannot copy fast enough, is it? So C it's 2, right? So y equals to 1/4 x plus 2. This is my equation of AB. Okay. BC, who come? Who want to try? Can I get Denzel? What is this equation? No need to find gradient. Every day walk this kind of slope, gradient 0.
Yeah. Eh?
This blue color gradient. Sorry, equation.
Y equal minus 2.
Minus 2 it's cutting at 5 leh.
Oh, 5.
Yes, correct. Well done. This is just y equals to 5. Okay, so Chloe, if I have a line cutting down like this at 3, what is the equation of that red color line that I just draw?
X equals 3.
Very well done. That's right. Okay, Ken? Okay, no problem. Okay, Cam, the gradient of the line of this equation is given to be negative 4/3. So think, gradient. I got unknown. What are the 3 ways to find gradient? Using your y1 minus y2 over x1 minus x2? That one can or not? I don't have coordinates. So that is out, right? The other one is using graph, rise over run. Can or not? Nah, I don't have graph. I don't want to plot. I'm left with one method using equation. Okay, so to arrange it to the form y equals to mx plus c, it's py equals to minus 4x plus 10. Don't ask me how you shift on. This is your sec 1 linear equation shifting. You shift over, you change sign can already, okay? So py stay minus 4x plus 10. Is the py okay or not? P is a constant. Yes, Shannon, I see your answer, and that is correct. I catch you all very fast one. I see you all very fast one. My eyes are always on you all. All right, so y is equals to, I must make it to 1y. So Michaela, what do you suggest?
Divide the y. I mean the p.
Yes, correct. Very good job. Divide the p throughout the whole equation. Why, Rian? Flying keys to who? Not to me, not to us. Okay, so minus 4 over px plus 10 over p. And they tell me the gradient it's minus 4 over 3. So, Michaela, still you. Can you tell me what is equals to 4 over 3?
Huh?
Huh? Which part of the Which part of the equation is equals to minus 4 over 3? Which is
The 0.
0. Y equals to mx plus c. leh.
Oh, the c.
No, c is my y-intercept, right?
Oh.
M is my gradient. So in other words, this is my gradient. Minus 4 over p equals to minus 4 over 3. Hey, the numerator is the same. P equals to 3. That's it. Okay, easy, no problem. Got problem, please tell me. Okay, then after that, they tell me find the y-intercept. Easy. The y-intercept is this. And then I've already found that p is 3. So it's just 10 over 3. I can put it as 3 over 1/3. I can put it as 3.33. Don't want decimal lah. Okay, can? All good? All right. Okay, let's take a look at this one. This chapter quite easy, right? Right or not? At least no quadratic graph, that kind of different kind of graphs. Don't have. Next chapter, it's on graphs again, next chapter. But it's on functions and graphs. But you're gonna learn what, reciprocal graph. Okay, give you a heads up. Reciprocal graph looks like that. Then I got another reciprocal graph looks like that. Then after that, nobody touched on this yet, right? Exponential graph. And then quadratic, of course, still have. Cubic graph. You memorize all of this and you must know how it change as the equation change. This is just the skeleton of it. Okay, that's not all. Who is taking physics here? Okay, Denzel, you will like the next chapter because I'm going to talk about acceleration for applications. Shannon, happy, yay, acceleration. I'm going to talk about acceleration, distance time graph, speed time graph. All this, according to my physics students, they seem to know a bit of it already. Okay, so yes. Okay, next one. Given that the straight line of this is equals to 16, find the value of k if the line passes through the point of this, comma this. It passed through. What can I do? I can just sub it in, isn't it? Yeah? I will just sub x equals to minus 8, y equals to minus 7 inside this equation. Can you help me find the value of k from here? Let's see who's the fastest. 快点, 快点. For Chloe and Denzel and Michaela, Dan, send it to me on Zoom chat. Don't let the girls win. see who's the first one. Oh, Shannon again. Okay, good, Shannon. Okay, Shannon, I think you deserve a star from me. Later at the end of class, then I will show you all the sheet, okay? Let's see who's the next one. Chloe, you seem to have something. Rian, but not correct. So far away. Chloe, next one. Chloe also not correct. But good try. At least I know you are trying. Okay, good. Okay, come. Michaela? 没有啊. Okay, let's see. Hello, this is just sec 1 linear equation, girls and guys. Okay, so k plus 3, x, it's 8, minus 8, sorry. Then, okay, so if you get confused, your minus 8 can just put in front. Then minus 3k plus 2. And then I want to multiply by a minus 7. Okay, so this gives me 16. Oh, is it because I put the y behind? That's why y'all got confused. Can put it in front one, no problem. Okay, so this one I can also put in front. It gives me minus 8k minus 24. This minus 7 comes to the front, become plus 7 already. Correct now? So plus 21k plus 14 equals to 16. 21 minus 8 is 13k equals to 16 plus 24 minus 14, which gives me 26. So k is just equals to 2. Like this. Easy? Is it because of the signs changes that y'all got confused? All right, so can put behind, can put in front, doesn't matter. It's a multiplication. Okay, then the line has the same gradient of this. I love to see all your facial expression when you are reading the question. Same gradient. So again, from equation, right? Karina, can we find the equation, the gradient of this line first? So this is 13y equals to 2x minus 25. This is y equals to 2 over 13x minus 25 over 13 because I want to make it to 1y and nothing else. Okay, so this is my gradient. All right, and they tell you that this line over here has a same gradient, which is 2 over 13. It's a different k, so don't sub it in. All right, it's a different k. So now I want to make it to y equals to mx plus c also for the blue color equation. Don't need to times in, okay? Don't need to times in. How come? K plus 3. Now this question is a bit interesting. Okay, can you see that this is your y already? But it's a negative, right? We don't really like negative. Can we shift it to the other side? I will shift this entire thing to the right-hand side, which gives me k plus 3 whole thing x minus 16 equals to 3k plus 2y. Can you see the skeleton of y equals to mx plus c from here? No? Can I just swap this around? Like this? Can you see a y equals to mx plus c? Somewhat, yes? What should I do from here? Is it a 1y or no? Not yet, right? How do I make the y become a 1y? It must be a standalone 1y. I divide everybody by 3k plus 2, isn't it? So y equals to k plus 3 over 3k plus 2, x minus 16 over 3k plus 2. And they tell me they're having the same gradient. Where is the gradient in this question then? Ooh, Shannon, well done. Hi. Okay, the gradient, isn't it this one? M. 对不对? And the gradient is 2 over 13. Just now we found. So what can we say? Therefore, k plus 3 over 3k plus 2 is equals to 2 over 13. Don't tell me from here you don't know. So I cross multiply 13k plus 39 equals to 6k plus 4. 7k equals to minus 35. K equals to minus 5. That's it. Okay, so they are asking you to find the different values of k, not the same k. Okay, the second one is a little bit more confusing because the top equation is a bit messy. Okay, it's a little bit messy. But can understand, right? Can, okay, that's good. Okay, this one, the diagram shows the sketch. No sketch. Alamak. Sorry, I forgot to put the diagram in. I will go and take a look at it. Question 9, we skip first. Question 10. Diagram shows the points A, B, and C. Find the equation of AC. Oh, come on, everybody. Y'all know how to do this one. You are the experts already. Come. AC, how? AC equation, find gradient, find C. C in this case, not obvious. Dan, send it to me. The coordinates are there already, ma. Oh, Shannon again, huh? Very good, Shannon. Very good job. Well done. Who's the next one? Quick. Who can give me the gradient first? Chloe, you got a gradient? Not yet. Denzel, you got a gradient?
Is it 0?
0 cannot be. 0 is this kind of horizontal slope, right? Michaela, you got your gradient? Rian? Rian, your answer is correct, but it's not simplified for your gradient. Other than that, it's good. Okay, so gradient of AC, 6/9, you have to write it as 2/3. All right, so for AC gradient, it's y1 minus y2 over, Chloe, you're very close. Your sign is not correct only. Okay, over x1 minus x2. This gives me 2/3 simplified. Okay, then after that, y equals to mx plus c. This c value over here, we don't know what is it, unfortunately. So how do we do it? We have to sub in either a or c coordinates in. I sub in c lah. So 8 equals to 4 plus c. C is equals to 4. Okay, therefore my equation is y equals to 2/3 x plus 4, like this. All right, then after that I want to find the length. Length, it's easy. It's again using the formula. So it's x1 minus x2 square plus y1 minus y2 square, which gives me 81 plus 16. This is square root of 99. Okay, can, which gives me, is it, let me see. Wait, did I do anything wrong? X1 minus,
It is 6, not 4. -6, not -4.
-6.
Because you put 2 minus 8 square, right? And you put 16, but it's
Oh, yes. Thank you. No wonder it's different. Thanks, Shannon. Oh no. Okay, so 2 minus 8, it's -6. -6 square is 36. So this gives me, is it 10.8 or not? Yeah, 10.8 rounded off to 3SF. Okay, and then I want to find the area of the triangle ABC. So this is my base. This is my height, my perpendicular height. P5 we learn, right? Correct or not? So from here to here, it's how many units? 3 units there, 4 units there, total 7 units. Height leh? From 2 to 8, that is 6 units, correct? So it's just half times 7u times 6u. That gives me 21 units square. Okay, perpendicular distance from B to AC is this one. Can you spot another pair of base and height for me? There is, right? Another, as long as it's perpendicular, base and height can already, ma. Right? So this is my base. This is my height. So AC length, do we have or not? Yes, just now we found. Best if you take the exact units. This is 117 square root. That's the exact. That is the best one. Okay, if you want to take your decimal, you cannot take 10.8. You may have conversion errors. All right, take note. So another pair is the pink color one, which is square root 117 times, this is, I call it H, unknown, then times half. It also gives me 21 units square. So can you help me find the value of H? Very good. Shannon again. Hey, Shannon, but I got a conversion error. Like you use exact or let me see, is it my answer key? It's you, not me. It's 0.88, not 0.89. You got conversion error there. Okay, because I used the exact square root 117. That's the best one. Okay, so H should be equals to 3.88 units, rounded off to 3SF.
Because I actually round up instead of round down.
Wonder. Okay, so be careful. All right, Ken, is anyone struggling to stay afloat with me? Let me throw you a life vest. Is anyone drowning here? Nobody, all okay, all still afloat with me, Michaela? Are you okay? Denzel, are you okay? Denzel, you okay now?
No.
No. Oh no. Why no? Why no? The gradient, is it or what? Equation or is it length? You don't know what you don't know.
Yeah.
Okay, I go slower a bit, okay? Chloe, what
Okay.
about you? Chloe missing already. Okay, come, let's take a look at this one. The graph shows two straight lines, L1 and L2. The line L1 cuts the x-axis at A and the y-axis at B. Okay, the line L2 is a vertical line. Okay, and it cuts the x-axis at P and the L1 at Q. Wow, so many lines coming in. Find the equation of L1. How? Can I find gradient or not? Now that we got the graph, must we go and find using coordinates? Don't need, right? We can use rise over run, right? Can you see? Denzel, can you help me? What is my rise over here? How many units is that?
4.
4. And what is my run here?
8.
8. Very good. So rise over run, it will be 4 over 8, which is half. This is my gradient already. Okay. So y equals to mx plus c. Oh no, I don't have my c, do we? Do we have the y-intercept or not? Rian, what's my y-intercept? Can see on the graph or not? It cuts the y-axis at -4, right? So in this case, we don't need to sub in values. We can just take it off the graph. Okay, so it's just y equals to half x minus 4. That is my equation of line 1 already. Okay, line 2, given that the coordinates of P, it's 2, 0. So here it's 2. Who can tell me what's the equation of the line 2? Denzel, you want to try? Is it x equals to 2 or y equals to 2?
X
Very
equal
good.
to
Yes, that's right. It's cutting at 2 ma, so x is equals to 2. Okay, so I got this equation. And I got this equation. Denzel, the line 1 equation, okay,
yeah, okay.
So this is y equals to half x minus 4. Okay, can we take a look at these two equations? And they want us to find coordinates q. Okay, I highlight these two equations for you first. This is the first one, second one. Where is the point of intersection for these two blue lines? Where is the point of intersection for these two blue lines? Yes, Rian. Now sign language class, Okay. Do you see that these two blue lines, they intersect at Q? Correct. So point of intersection, how to find, Michaela or Chloe? Point of intersection, how to find? Sec 1, think about, no, sorry, Sec 2. Think about what we learned in Sec 2. First few chapters. Point of intersection. Simultaneous equation, right? Graphical method, Graphical method, we draw the two graphs. The point of intersection is your answer. Correct not? Or the other way, we can do it by substitution or elimination. I already got the equation of these two graphs. These are your equations to do simultaneous on. Y equals to half x minus 4, equation 1. X equals to 2, equation 2. Sub x sub equation 2 into equation 1 straight away. Okay, I'll get what? Y equals to half x minus 4. Can y'all help me solve for the value of y from here? Half times 2 is 1. 1 minus 4 is minus 3. So I got my value of y. I already got my value of x. Correct not? So the point of intersection is 2, minus 3. Can y'all see that? And that is your coordinates of Q. Okay, so just keep in mind, as long as they are asking you to find the point of intersection, it is the simultaneous between these two equations. Okay, simultaneous between two equations. That's all. All right. Okay, next one. I want to find the area of OBQ. Can we first identify where is OBQ first? OBQ. Triangle, So let me zoom in on the, so OBQ is a triangle, they said. So this is the triangle that I'm supposed to find. Okay. So again, base times height times half. Half times base times height. Okay. So if this is my base, can anyone help me identify what is my height? How many units? My base is how much? Four units? Yes. Very good. My height is how much? From 0 to 2. Isn't it 2 units? Correct. So my area of triangle is just half times base times height. Give me 4 units square. Anyone lost? All okay? Can? Okay, I want to find the length of BQ. Can y'all help me or not? One more time. B it's on the y-axis, so x is equals to 0. This is my coordinates for B. Q I've already found. It's 2 comma minus 3. Okay, formula, it's y1 x1 minus x2 square plus y1 minus y2 square. Okay, help me plug it in. Send me your length in units. Be careful, So this can be your x1, y1, x2, y2, like this. Give it to me in GSF, okay? Yuan, very good. Well done. Round it off to 3SF for me will do. Okay, for Rian, you can try the last one. I want the shortest distance of O to BQ. Shannon, is it a callus? It's not correct. X1. Denzel, did you get it? X1 minus X2 square plus Y1 minus Y2 square. Whole thing square root. What did y'all get? Did y'all get 2.24 units? Shannon, that's right. Okay, this will be a 2.24 units. Okay, just have to remember the formula. It's not inside the formula sheet, so please make an effort to go and memorize it, okay? No wonder. Shannon. Okay, last one. They want us to calculate the shortest distance from O to BQ. O to BQ. All right, so I've already found out that the area was 4 units square, right? The area was 4 units square. Okay, so in other words, do you see that to find this area, if I want BQ as my base, where is my height? Yeah, it's a perpendicular line down, isn't it? Can you see? And isn't that what they are looking for? Unknown H. BQ, do we have? We have. Right or not? Put it in exact, Okay, so this in exact form was just now, what did we have? 2 square, it's 4 plus minus 4 plus 3, it's minus 1, square root of 5. Yeah, so this is square root of 5. Okay, so can you see that in this triangle, I have another pair of base and height, right? Fair enough. Where my BQ is square root 5, so half times root 5 times H, it's also equals to the same area, 4. Okay, H is equals to 4 divided by half divided by square root 5. Which gives me 3.5777. I round it off to 3.58 units. Okay, so this entire question is very long, very lengthy, correct or not? And if any parts that you can't do it, it's all linked. Okay, Ken? Okay, can y'all help me finish up this entire worksheet? Only 4 questions left, 12 to 15. Okay, for Michaela, Chloe, and Denzel, I will send it to you all, this entire worksheet. Maybe without the answer key. So if you are joining us again next week, please complete question 12 to 15. Try, okay? Formulas are all inside the notes. You can refer, but please make an effort to memorize them. All right. Can we have a little quiz before we end off? Easy one, easy one. All right. So today's task allocation, I can only give it to Shannon and Rian. All right. For the rest, of course, if you are joining us next week, I'll put you inside the Google Sheet as well. And then we can start collecting the stars also. Okay, Ken? Let me share the, wait, where is my stars? Okay, so Shannon, you got one more from the answering of questions. So now stars allocation, 8 and 6. I'm gonna give a quick quiz. Whoever answers, you also can collect. Okay, 1 question, 1 star. All right. Not restricted to Shannon and Yen. Everyone can answer. Just put a hands up emoji. Okay. What is the gradient of this equation? Sorry. Yes, Shannon.
Y equals to 7 over, no, gradient equals to 7 over 4.
Very good job. Gradient equals to 7 over 4. Why? Because 4y equals to 7x minus 6. Y equals to 7 over 4x minus 6 over 4. So this is my gradient. Okay? So Shannon 1, so Shannon 9 already. All right. What else did we learn? What is the coordinates of, no, what is the formula to finding gradient? What are the 3 ways to finding gradient?
Can I say
So, yes.
y1 minus y2 over x1 minus x2.
Very good job, Denzel. You remember it in 1 class. Good. Okay, what?
There's still one more. Is rise over run.
Yes, excellent. And one more.
I think I can't remember.
What did we use here? Using equation. That's right. Y equals to mx plus c, whereby m is your gradient. Excellent. Denzel, I would love to give you the stars. Okay, if you join us next year, I'll put you in. Okay. Then, Rian, 加油, quick and raise your hand. Don't make funny face already. You tell your friend later, okay? Wow. Okay, what's the gradient of this? Yes, Denzel raised hand emoji.
Undefined.
Undefined. Wow, good job. What's the gradient of this? Yes, Denzel again.
3 over minus 5.
Rise first. Rise
Oh,
first.
5 over 3.
5 over 3. Very good. Well done. Hello, Rian. What's the gradient of this? Okay. Good. Rian, I see your answer. Yes. Okay, very easy. Okay, again, a lot more. One last one. Length formula. Yes, Shannon.
Square root x1, no, x1 minus x2 square plus 1 minus y2 square, then whole 6 square root.
Yes, very good job. Okay, Ken, very well done. Okay, so these are the 2 most important formulas that you must remember. Coordinates of, gradient and also length equation. Very well done, everyone. And then this is a wrap for this chapter. But of course, we are going to finish up the tutorial, last 4 questions of the tutorial. And then, let me see. Am I very well ahead of school or not? Or not very? I think I'm quite ahead of school, right? Okay, let's go for one more chapter next week. Okay, in the next chapter, it's on functions and graphs. Since we're already on graphs, we'll do functions and graphs next week. And before we do one mid-year paper together. Okay, so we will try and fill in the gaps and see what we've forgotten. Okay, Ken? For Michaela, Chloe, and Denza, very well done. Denza, I really see your effort in trying all the questions, and I'm really happy to see that. Okay, I hope to see 3 of y'all back again next week, of course, and join us in our regular sessions. Okay? If not, thank you, everyone. Have a good night, have a good rest, and I'll see y'all next week, same time. Okay? Thank you. Bye, whoever is there. Bye-bye. Thank you. Oh,
Thank
hi.
you. Bye-bye.
Bye, Denza. Bye, Michaela. Bye, Shannon. Bye, Rian. Bye, Chloe.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Hi, Rian.
Bro. Bye.
Bye, Chloe.